Hello guys, today I'm going to show you my deck profile of Purity of Light deck, which is all fairy type monsters. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this. We got one Hecatrice, one Honest, one Bountiful Artemis, said it right anyway. Next we got Concealed Light, then we have Hanewata or Hainwata, then we have Victoria, then we have Tethys Goddess of Light, then we have Splendid Venus, then Air Knight Pasath, next up we have Zeradios Herald of Heaven, then Master Hyperion, then we have one the Agent of Mystery Earth, one Shining Angel, and we have one the Agent of Judgment, Saturn, then we have the legendary Athena, and we have the Agent of Force, Mars, then we have the Agent of Miracles, Jupiter, then we got the Agent of Wisdom, Mercury, then we have the Agent of Creation, Venus, next we have Soul of Purity and Light, and for the last monster we have Nova Summoner. Okay, now spells. We have one Valhalla of the Fallen, two Sanctuary of the Skies, one Cards from the Sky, one Fissure, one The Fountain in the Sky, one Celestial Transformation, and one Terraforming. Now traps, we have one Miraculous Descent, sorry guys, I missed two spell cards. We got one Mystical Space Typhoon and the Court of Justice. That's for the spells. Let's try again. Traps. Miraculous Descent. Return from a different dimension. Legendary. Beckoning Light. Slip of Fortune. Torrential Tribute. Divine Punishment. Kunai with Chain. One Magic Cylinder. Rare or Secret Rare, I think. one Solemn Judgment, and I missed. There's another one, Miracle's Descent. So that's all of my Purity of Light deck, and hope you guys enjoyed it. And please subscribe, and thanks. Peace.